welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a midroll ad to your YouTube video. So now, as of 2023, it has to be over 8 minutes long for you to be able to add a midroll ad or ads, and then you also have to have monetization on. So now that we are on the video that we are going to add a midroll ad for, let's go ahead and click on monetization first, just to double check that we have this midroll ad video checkbox on, and make sure that you do save that if it was off. Now, to go ahead and add that ad, let's go into the editor over here and either click, and here there's the $ sign, and you can click the pencil icon, or you can come up here and click edit on ad breaks. So currently there's one midroll ad at the very end of the video. Let's say I wanted to add it around the 3:16-ish mark. That is, I just clicked on it to place my little pointer there. I am going to click the plus ad break and it'll add an ad right there. Now, if we wanted to move that around, we could click on that specific ad break and drag it around. It does have to be blue. Let's go ahead and add it maybe over here around the 2-minute mark. And if we wanted to go ahead and move the one at the very end to maybe around the 6-minute mark, we would have to click on it and then drag it as well. Then once you're satisfied, go ahead and click save. And there you go. Now we have 2 more ads, or I guess 1 more ad, and that's how you add another ad to your YouTube video. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe.